Hello everybody, Smosey back again. I'm back with the baseball break. I got 2 boxes of 2017 Elite Extra Edition. Now each one of these boxes comes with 11 cards and 5 hits. 2 autograph, 2 mem cards, and then the last card is either an autograph or a jersey card. So pick these up on Blowout Cards. They have them on sale for $24.95. That's a half price. When they originally came out, they were 50 bucks. So pretty good deal for 5 hits per box. There's some really good prospects in here. A lot of young guys. I think that's why they, the stuff doesn't hold its value, because a lot of 15, 18-year-olds in here. But I'm looking for that Hunter Green from our Reds here. So let's check them out. Box 1. It's a pretty cool looking box, actually. 3 packs. That's the extra card. Let's go ahead and open up the extra card first, because most times this is a jersey, but it can also be an auto. We got a triple jersey, Willie Adams, numbered to $3.99 for the Rays. Alright, pack 1. Leachman, numbered to $9.99. Oh, I got a points card. I gotta flip it over. 150 points. That's the first I've opened up several of these boxes. That's the first time I got reward points. We got a David Peterson at number 200, purple. Oh, nice. Torres triple jersey, number 299. I was hoping that had some ink on it. Joanna Todd, number 999. All right, back 2. We got Trenton Kemp, number 999 for the Red Sox. Matt Sauer, number 25. Ooh, that's a pretty cool looking parallel there. Teal and purple. Nice. Julio Hero, number 50. Sticker autograph. International. We got AJ Minter, triple jersey, number 399. And a Rucker, numbered in 999. Alright. I did not get one auto because of the points card, but like that parallel number 25 was pretty nice. Come on. Packs don't want to come out. Alright, so let's see this bonus pack here. Jersey again, Dylan Peters. The Marlins, number 299. Oh, actually, double jersey. Oh, there we go. Pretty high. Waiting for him to come up. Kuna, number 999. Very cool. Dylan Bugsby, number 150. Pedro Vasquez, die cut auto, number 35, red die cut for the Pirates. Another good prospect here. Well, that's kind of an interesting jersey there. Future Threads, number 299, Dane. Solid pack there. Ramirez, number 999 for the Orioles. All right, last pack. Let's see if we get another low numbered hit here. Got JoJo Romero, number 999. Ernie Clement, die cut, number 99. Sharp looking cards. Mason House, purple, number 100. That is on card. Oh, bonus there, on card auto. The Padres. Lucis Fox, triple jersey, number 299 for the Rays. And number 999. So that's break. Pretty fun break for 25 bucks a box. You can't go too wrong. Some big names in there, like I said. A couple autos. So fun break. That's it for this 2-box break of 2017 Elite Extra Edition, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.